Hi, Steve Dabney, Drainline Services out of Louisville, Kentucky. Just wanted to come by the general booth and tell them how much we appreciate the equipment that we have. And by the way, I love the clog chopper. It is perfect for urinal lines. You can't go wrong.
How many machines have you got?
Oh gosh, we've got about 4 generals, the cable machines, kinetic water rams, little jetter, you name it, we got it. We love it.
Hi, my name is Steve Strunk, Vallejo, California, and I use numerous general products. I have the M2900, M1450, and the SON detector, and I've had fantastic luck and great usage out of them, and they've never failed me when I've needed them.
Thank you. And how many years have you been using it?
I've been using them for about 4.5 years now, and it's never failed me in the hundreds of hours that I've used all the equipment.
Hey, thanks.
So we have a General Speed Router 92 that we've had for 7 years, and we've never replaced the cable. We've actually augered into things really quite hardly, and it still holds together really well. We've never broken it. We flush it out in the line really well and drain the drum every time, but we've never even used snake oil on it, to be honest with you, and it hasn't broke yet.
Okay. What's your name and where are you from?
Chris Quinion, and I'm from Canaan, Connecticut.
Okay. Hey, thanks a lot. We really appreciate you using our equipment.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm John Cole from Southern Pines, North Carolina, John Cole's Plumbing Professionals. We've been using the Maxi Router since 2009, still using the original piece of equipment. We've added to that equipment. We've probably got 12 units now, but we're still using that original unit. Have had very little issues with it, if any. Still going strong.
Hi, my name's Tim Jones. I'm with Ace Rotor Jet. I've been using General for years. Known Marty for years at the show, even way back when he was in Nashville. Have really good luck with all of the machines. What's nice about them, you can easy rebuild them, and the power feeds, all that you can rebuild really easy. They show you on the site where they tear them down, put them back together. It's so simple, it's unreal.
How many machines have you got?
30, 60 machines, and all of them run. So they're amazing machine, and they think of everything. They're the drain brains.